Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So for today's video, right now I am in the Hamptons at my boyfriend's family's house. And something obviously that really interests me and a lot of you guys is fashion. And a topic that I've thought a lot about is what is like Hamptons style? And first of all, I just want to say I'm not very credible to be talking about this because I've only been here a few times and just with his family, and I mean, I don't know, I feel like the Hamptons is the type of place where you never really feel like you belong. It's like celebrities and really successful people and everything, that live out here. But I do think the fashion is really interesting, and so I'm always, keeping one eye open, thinking about what are people wearing and what to wear. And so I've kind of seen some patterns, and I kind of wanted to just talk about what those were, more so for someone who, if say you get invited by a friend or for a weekend and you don't know what to wear, or say if you and your friends do a house together in the summer or something, just kind of what it is. And I feel with Gossip Girl and everything, we're always so curious about what the Hamptons are. So I wrote down a couple things that I think are considered Hampton style. Okay, so I just have my little list here. Okay, so the first one is white pants. And so they actually had a party here last night, and so many people were wearing white pants. And I feel that way too. So I just got this pair of pants. They're and not even just white pants, but wide-legged white pants. So, for example, I got these ones from this company called Cookie Decor, and they're a wide leg white pants. I feel something with that, with a pair of wedges and a cute little top is really cute. So yeah, a lot of white pants. I feel it's just, I don't know, it's kind of a beachy sort of feel, so something like that. White jeans if you have them too, just white pants are always good. Similar to that also is wearing a white dress. So I actually wore a white dress yesterday, and yeah, just really anything white, I guess, is kind of the moral of the story, is you can get away with white. It's kind of when you think of the little black dress, I would say that the white dress is kind of the same thing for that here, because it's just so common to wear that color. Oh, and then a white linen shirt. So linen is very summery, it's very beachy, it's one of those very light, airy fabrics, and a button down is so classic and a little bit elevated, a little bit sophisticated. So yeah, and a little white linen shirt, you could throw it on over your bikini and going to the beach. You could just throw it on and tie it right here with a pair of jeans. Or you can just throw it over if you have a little tank top. If I wasn't wearing this little cardigan, I could just throw a little white linen top over this dress, and I feel that would work too. It's a very versatile piece. Alright, next thing is a beach bag. So I'd say something like rattan or a basket type bag is really kind of the thing that you want to go for a beach bag. And not only is a bag like that good for actually going to the beach, but it's also good, say, if you need to I don't know, pick up little things in the morning, or just have a bag to carry in either groceries or just anything, a basket bag. And I actually got this one from Etsy, and it's huge, so you can carry so much in it, and it has the long straps, and the straps are leather, so it's just a great bag. So something like that is really good. Okay, obviously sandals, so not flip-flops, the actual sandals. So I'd say something what I'm actually wearing right now is something like this. Doesn't have to be pink, probably not pink actually, do more of a brown. So I think this is actually dupe from Zara for the YSL sandals that are in brown. So those would be really good. Or like I said, you can get a dupe at Zara. Just a nude sandal. Or a leather sandal would be really nice. And then also on the shoes topic, there's birds. Also on the shoes topic would be wedges. So not heels, because a lot of times, especially if you're invited to a party, you're going to be on the grass, and if you're wearing heels, you just sink right into the grass. And wedges are just so summery anyways, and they go along with the whole style, especially if you're doing, say, like a pair of white pants and then a wedge. That'd be like a perfect outfit, because the wedges obviously are easier to walk on the grass and they just look a little bit more elevated than a flat. And I love these ones from, where did I get them from? Oh, they're Castanier. I think you can get them at most department stores, or you can just go to their website. But yeah, the cute little ones with like the little white straps that you can tie, or anything like that. Just like a pair of wedges are really good. And then also maxi dresses. So of course a good maxi dress is always a go-to, whether it's daytime or if you're invited to like a party at nighttime. Maxi dresses are just so nice, especially like a floral patterned one. You could do ones that are like strapless or have like little straps. I have so many maxi dresses that I love. Also, if you did like a white maxi dress, I mean, there's just so many great opportunities to wear a maxi dress. And yeah, you could even do like the maxi dress with a pair of wedges. So like if I was packing, I would pack like a pair of wedges, a pair of white pants, a maxi dress, the beach bag, just some sandals, maybe a cute little sweater or cardigan like this for if you get a little bit chilly, say in the mornings. And then on that same note, just like the whole thing I feel like in the last 2 years has been around like elevated loungewear. Say, yeah, because obviously if you're staying the night, then you want to wear something cute in the morning. I just found this really cute pair of PJs, and they're like a little silk and like pink PJ set with like a little button-up collared top and then the little mini shorts. So something like that's really cute. So I feel like that with like a little cardigan like this is so perfect. This I actually got from Urban Outfitters years ago, so I've looked for it and it's not being sold anymore. But something like this, I mean, it's just like you can find something like this anywhere. I'll try to find some similar ones and link them. Alright, I think that's everything. I mean, besides that, I think I might just walk you through some of like the magazines. So yeah, there's this magazine, it's called like the Hamptons magazine. There's a lot of cool like style ideas in there that kind of give a feel. So I'll just kind of show that. Alright, we're over in this little chair now, and I wanted to show you guys just the stuff in the magazines because I feel like it really accurately represents kind of just like the feel for the style and just like the fashion that people wear. So it's a little bit bright, but I have these ones here, and you can pick these up in town. This one is called the Modern Luxury Hamptons, and then there's just this one that was like a Memorial Day edition. So it's just like very kind of white interiors like this. I miss magazines. I used to love reading magazines when I was younger. Ugh, the ballet. I miss doing ballet. This is a good little map here. So where are we right now? We are here in Sag Harbor. And Bridgehampton's big. Oh, Southampton is where all of the really, really big like mansion houses are. This coastline here, so we're right on the water. Yeah, East Hampton. I'd say the best shopping is in Southampton and here in Sag Harbor. Okay, so Zimmermann, this is a great brand. Obviously, this is a luxury designer. But as you can see, it's just very kind of sophisticated style. Here's an example of like a maxi dress that you could wear to a party or something. I think that this is beautiful. So this is very Love Shack fancy-esque. You can see she's also in like a maxi dress and like a pretty white, just kind of, you know, in the garden. So something like that. There's like a cable knit kind of like cardigan, like sweater type of a material. And then again, that kind of like white button down beachy lifestyle. So a lot of like white shirts and just, you know, like bangles and, you know, beachy hair with that sort of thing. So if you have like the white linen shirt or just like a white button down, you can pair it with jeans and just kind of be casual but sophisticated. Little pajamas, like little loungewear like this. So this is like that tiny floral pattern that I love. You know, lounging in style. So this I'd say is more of a preppy look. This kind of almost reminds me of like Lily Pulitzer, if you guys remember that. But yeah, just kind of like casual sort of style, something like this. Also, so funny, I noticed on this page, this is the sunscreen I was just talking about in my last video. And then the Jillian Dempsey lid tint. So this is the one that I got. I love it in that really light pink shade. Not this one, but I have it in the light pink shade that I love. It's just funny that those two things are here because I was just talking about them. Oh, also, I should have mentioned these, just, you know, large, like not straw, but, you know, like beach hats. Like a big floppy hat. Kind of like you'd wear on vacation, you know, you can do that here because it, A, keeps you covered from the sun, and then also it's like adding a nice accessory to the outfit and really just gives it something nice. Again, with the white pants, see, it's that kind of style. And, yeah, more maxi dresses, that sort of thing. More white pants. Okay, now here's like what I was talking about with those kind of like basket beach bags. Is that like wicker kind of a style? You know, those like chairs, like the brown leather. You know, just kind of like the chair baskety type bags. Anything like that is just, you know, that perfect kind of style I was talking about. So more of those like chunky kind of cable knit sweaters that look very thick and kind of, you know, very like good quality, well made. So when it is chilly, you know, just kind of lounging around, you know, wearing something like this as opposed to like, I don't know, a hoodie or something, you know, just like looks a little bit more nice, I guess. But yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was like a little video, but it's one that I've wanted to make for a while, so I really appreciate you watching, and don't forget to subscribe for like more vlogs and fashion and beauty related videos, and then check out the Fashion Squirrel as well, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.